vernalization. And last one is devernalization. Vernalization means during few types of species, temperature treatment is necessary for earlier development, like during seed germination. Temperature treatment is needful, as well as during the later development, that is initiation of flowers, also temperature is needful. In a few species, low temperature treatment is useful for the initiation of flowers. For the initiation of flowers, low temperature treatment is needful, that is called as vernalization. Cold treatment or chilling treatment is needful for the development of flowering in a few species, that is commonly called as vernalization. Cold treatment or chilling treatment, it ranges between 0 to 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius temperature are commonly called as cold temperature. This cold temperature is needful for initiation of flowering, that is called as vernalization. Cold treatment or chilling treatment, or the temperature as an environmental factor, influences several physiological processes including reproduction, that is commonly called as vernalization. In this vernalization, acceleration of the ability of flower, chilling treatment is called as vernalization, or the low treatment. Vernalization means initiation of flower or formation of flowers during low temperature treatment, or the cold treatment or chilling treatment. It is about, or the ranges of temperature, it is about 0 to 5 degrees Celsius is needful, that is called as vernalization. Okay, devernalization, that is the last concept of this plant growth and development. Devernalization means reversal of vernalization, that is called as devernalization. It is a very simple. During vernalization, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature is needful. Here during devernalization, here high temperature treatment. High temperature treatment is needful for growth as well as development of plants, that is called as devernalization. It ranges between 35 degrees Celsius to upward. 35 degrees Celsius to onward. Temperature is needful for plant growth as well as development in few types of species, that is called as devernalization. There are two concepts like vernalization. Here cold treatment or chilling treatment is necessary. Cold treatment or chilling treatment is necessary during plant growth as well as development, that is called as vernalization. The temperature is ranges between 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature, that is called as vernalization. Cold treatment or chilling treatment is needful to plant growth as well as development. It is commonly called as vernalization phenomenon. And the last article during this topic, that is called as devernalization. Devernalization means high temperature treatment. High temperature treatment is needful for the plant growth as well as development. It ranges between 35 degrees Celsius to onward temperature is needful for plant growth and development, that is called as devernalization. Here completed the plant growth and development.